If you want to create PowerPoint presentations faster with AI, then this video is for you. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a PowerPoint presentation with ChatGPT in just a few simple steps, then download it and make quick edits if needed. This is a great method for students, professionals, marketers, and anyone who wants to save time while building a presentation from scratch. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're inside, you can simply type your request in a clear way. For example, type, create 3 slides of PPT on digital marketing in PPT format. By being specific, you help ChatGPT understand exactly what you want it to generate. After you send the prompt, give it a moment to process the request. Depending on the format and the tool workflow, it may take some time to build the presentation content, so just wait patiently while it creates the PowerPoint file for you. Once the file is ready, you should see a download option. Click on download to save the PowerPoint file to your device. After that, go to your downloads folder and open the downloaded PPT file. This is where you can review the slides and make any changes you need. You may want to edit the text, change the design, adjust images, or refine the layout so it matches your presentation goals. The great thing about this method is that ChatGPT gives you a quick starting point, and then you can customize the presentation however you like. So instead of building every slide manually, you get a head start in just a few minutes. Once you've opened the file and edited it accordingly, your presentation is done and ready to use. This workflow can save you a lot of time, especially when you need a simple presentation quickly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.